So as I started planning out my home office, I wanted to work in some cool smart lighting just to give the room a little extra flair while I work or play games. Now when we think smart lighting, who comes to mind? Usually it's Phillips Hue, and that's because they put a ton of money into their marketing to ensure that their brand is always top of mind when it comes to smart lighting. Phillips Hue is kind of like the Apple of smart lighting. They make a solid product and they're one of the best in their class, but like Apple, let's just say that Phillips Hue has some really nice margins. At the time of making this video, a single smart color bulb from Phillips Hue will run you a whopping $50. Again, that's for a single bulb. Also factor in that the bulb will not work on its own. The bulb's connection only works through a bridge, which kind of serves as the hub of your smart lighting system. That device is gonna run you $60. So just for a single bulb to work, you're already looking at a $110 investment for smart lighting from Phillips Hue. Also, just in case you're wondering, a single bridge can have up to 50 bulbs connected to it. So for most home setups, you won't need more than one should you choose to go with Phillips Hue for your smart lighting. Now, Philips does have starter packages that include discounts, but it's still not cheap. A starter kit with a bridge and 4 bulbs is still going to run you $200. So naturally, I set out to find an alternative with better pricing without sacrificing any of the quality or ease of use, and I'm happy to say that I have found one. Introducing Yeelight. Same brightness, same efficiency, same life expectancy, which is about 25,000 hours, and the same 2-year warranty as a Phillips Hue bulb. Yet, depending on where you order these bulbs, you can get them as cheap as $16. Now that's if you order through AliExpress. The downside of ordering through AliExpress is shipping generally takes about 3 weeks. So if you want a really good deal and you're not in a rush to get these, I've linked to AliExpress below for you to grab those. If you want them faster with more return protections and all that jazz, you can pick them up like I did on Amazon for about 25 bucks. A little bit more than AliExpress, but still half the price you would pay for a Phillips Hue bulb, and that's not even factoring in the bridge. So about that bridge, how much is the bridge for a Yeelight? That is the best part. There is none. Each bulb independently connects to your Wi-Fi network, so there is no need for any type of hub with Yeelight. So we've established that Yeelight is crazy cheap compared to the popular Phillips Hue. So what's the catch? I have yet to find one. Just like Phillips Hue, Yeelight will work with all of the smart home services such as Google Home, Amazon Echo, Yeti, If This Then That, and as of August 2019, Apple HomeKit. That was previously one of the big downsides of Yeelight, and now that is another obstacle out of the way. The app, which works for both iOS and Android, works fantastic. I've watched older videos on YouTube where people talk about the setup process, saying that Yeelight was a little buggy during that setup. Those issues must have been ironed out because when I went through the setup process on my Android phone, literally flawless. Nothing went wrong. I just plugged the light in and I opened up my phone and bam, they connected. Within 60 seconds, I had all 3 bulbs up and running. The app itself is pretty easy to use and it provides a ton of customizations when it comes to what you want your lights to look like. The navigation's broken into scenes, rooms, and devices. Scenes are where the magic happens. You can create various scenes to match different moods or settings. So whether you're watching a movie, playing some games, binging on some Tech Audit TV videos, you'll have a scene for every situation in life. You also have control of each bulb, which is capable of over 16 million colors, along with the brightness and any motions that you want associated with those bulbs. I've been testing these bulbs out for the last few months, just waiting for something to go wrong, and they've been flawless. I'm super happy with the decision I made to go with Yeelight instead of Phillips Hue, and will definitely be buying more of these as I expand the smart lighting around my house. I'll go ahead and link to all these products down below if you want to check out the latest pricing and whatnot. If you have questions about the Yeelight, drop them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to get those questions answered. Also, if you have ever used a Yeelight, or maybe you currently use a Yeelight, what's your experience been? Do you like it? Do you not like it? I would love to know what your opinion is. Everybody I've talked to that does use Yeelight has loved it. It does seem too good to be true. I was really skeptical, but again, I'm super pleased with the Yeelight. If you enjoyed this video, a thumbs up is always appreciated. And of course, if you want to see more cool tech videos like this, hit that subscribe button and you'll start seeing more of this guy in your feed. Until next time, my name is Brandon Hassler and this is Tech Audit TV. Why does this feel like an infomercial? You also have control of... Alright, that's good enough.